Welcome to a new episode, and today I will show you how to change the rear indicators to LEDs. The rear indicators are not LEDs, and that doesn't look that good, so I will change them out. And I will show you how to do it. You can buy some more expensive ones like this with a resistor in it, so you don't get any hyper flashes, and the more expensive ones are often brighter as well, and they will last longer. You can buy cheaper ones like this, but they doesn't have any resistor in it, so you have to mount them on the car yourself, and you're going to buy them separately. So that's why I recommend to get the more expensive ones. These ones cost around 10 euros. Maybe you can get them cheaper. The other ones, these ones, you can get for around 35 euros. They are a bit more expensive, but they doesn't need any work. It's just plug and play. So I will show you how to do it. You just get these off, and then you have a wing screw right behind it, and then you loosen it up, and then you have a clip around here, and then it's a guide right under here. So if you just loosen the wing screw, you can get the clip out, and then just remove the taillight. So there you have the wing screw. It's just to loosen it up, and then you can take the taillight off. It says in the Ford instructions that this wing screw, it doesn't come off, but it often will. So don't be surprised if the wing screw fall off, but there's no problem. It works anyway. Then you just pop it off right here, and then you just taking it off carefully. And then just take the connector off, and then you can take the taillight off. Yes, and if you come so far, you just take this off. And then you just change it to the new one. So then it's just to put it back on again. And be sure to get some lube or oil on the clips. You can see it, yes. They can sit very hard, these taillights, so be careful so you don't break anything or scratch paint. And it can sit very hard, but the taillights sit in these clips, and the wing screw right here, and then these guides here, then you just slot back in. Now you just put the taillight back on again, and it will work fine. So this is the result. You just do the exactly same thing on the other side, and you get some bright rear indicators that are LED. It looks much better. That was how to change the rear indicators to LED. If you want some more info, just look in the description, and if you have any thoughts, just comment them. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!